In this week's edition of the Business Review, we share the story of an Italian cheesemaker bringing a taste of home to the island with the DeAmbassador cheese. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
Cuddled by the fresh air and the cool hills in the heart of Portland, curdling up a tasty treat is the Ambassador cheese.
I followed my passion, and at the same time, I saw an upcoming change in Jamaica regarding the interest of people in new food. As well is a cultural thing coming from Italy. It's something that we've been doing since centuries,
13 years after making the island his home, CEO Jonathan Legato took a bold leap, investing $500,000 into an industry many wouldn't expect to thrive locally. Now, that gamble is paying off.
My main market, call it like that, are the resorts. And then even private people. But I have to say it's stable and kind of growing as well.
Churning out up to 4,000 pounds of cheese in a good month, he shared a sneak peek in the process, one that starts with sourcing fresh local milk from the College of Agriculture, Science and Education in Portland.
The milk with the rennet will create a reaction that create the curd. The curd basically is our future cheese, no? Then in my case, I start to boil some water and I add it to the curd. And in this case, I will have mozzarella.
Despite this being a great venture, the process of cheddaring has had to deal with what many call in the cheese-making business defects. Mr. Legato admits that delivering the product across the island has been challenging for him. However, the public's response has been overwhelmingly positive.
Even from small business in Port Antonio, and as well from local people that they know me, and yes, they buy from me.
With demand growing steadily, the Italian is looking ahead with excitement, eager to have his own farm, all while seeking to expand the business.
On a short term, I see interest from people, even from companies, and I'm happy about that. So in the long term, I'm looking forward eventually to have a more stable market and kind of bigger, but not that much. And that's it. But I see the potential because I see the interest in people and I see a little bit of a change in Jamaica.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.